Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Excel Sort feature, Part 6 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes Sort. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top blue arrow and holding down the left mouse button, then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Please click on your Excel icon and open the workbook Part 3. Tips: whenever a word already appears on the worksheet or table, Excel will autofill the word for you once you type a couple of letters. If the autofill is correct, tap the right arrow or the Tab key to accept. If Excel is trying to autofill the wrong word, just keep typing. This will happen when two words begin with the same letters. Example, dream versus dreadful. Both start with the letters D-R-E. Before sorting, always save your work in case you don't like the sort. You would be able to recover the original worksheet or table. It's better to save it in two different places. You can delete one of them later. I also shorten the word convenience, so convenience store equals convenience store, C-O-N-V dot store. Sort. Please pause the video and enter the data below on your worksheet starting with column L, row 1. Your worksheet or table should look like this. On the Home tab in the Editing group, Sort and Filler group. A to Z sorts text alphabetically. Numbers small to large, ascending order. Z to A sorts text reversed alphabetically. Numbers large to small, descending order. Please click cell L2 and then click Sort A to Z. Before the sort, after the sort, the store names are in alphabetical order. Rarely would you need to sort more than one row at a time, but if you do, the Sort button is the tool to use. Home tab, Editing Group, Sort and Filter. Please click M2, then click the Sort and Filter button. Click Custom Sort, and the Sort dialog box will open. Make sure the My Data Has Headers box is checked so Excel knows row 1 contains labels and will not sort it. Notice our first sort of the store names is already listed as one of the sorts. We are going to sort our entries by city. Please click the arrow next to the word store and a drop-down box will open. Sort by the box. Click on the word city. Values box, values, order A to Z. Click OK. The cities are in alphabetical order. However, the stores are no longer in alphabetical order. You must decide of what you wish to sort. Please save your work. This concludes the Microsoft Excel Sort Features, Part 6 of 7 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 6. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the final Part 7 of Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.